Did I pick the potatoes up? Nope.
Yeah.
Whoa. That's a cool potato. I've actually never seen like a potato from a garden. A little seasoning, a little bit. Yeah, a little season. I'm here.
Okay, just put it in the bucket.
A little seasoning. Oh, you dig aggressively.
Yeah, you don't have to be that gentle.
Okay. Potatoes! Taters! Taters! Taters everywhere! Oh, tiny tater!
When I packed this shirt for today, I thought it was dark.
Ooh, little tater. Small tater. Baby white tater. Ooh, oh, that's still hooked up. Oh, this one, ooh. Ooh. It's a dirty tater. Dirty tater. Here, that's an egg. Masterpiece, I say. Big old masterpiece, I say. It's a food stand. My friend, I named him Tater. God,